Ace your understanding. The meaning of service ace in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sports terminology, specifically in tennis and volleyball. We'll explore the meaning of the phrase, service ace. Whether you're an English language learner, a sports enthusiast, or just curious, this video will clarify what service ace means and how it's used in context. So, let's get started. In sports like tennis and volleyball, the term service refers to the act of starting the play. It's the initial strike or hit of the ball. The term ace, in this context, is when the service is so effective that the opponent cannot return the ball. Therefore, a service ace happens when a player serves the ball and it lands successfully in the opponent's court without being touched or is touched but not successfully returned. Let's look at some examples. In tennis, if a player serves the ball and it goes directly past the opponent without being hit, it's a service ace. In volleyball, if the ball is served over the net and lands on the other team's court or is mishandled by the receiving team, resulting in a point, that's also a service ace. It's important to note that achieving a service ace is often seen as a skillful move in both sports. While service ace is primarily used in sports, understanding the context is crucial. The meaning can change based on the sport being discussed. For example, the criteria for a service ace in tennis can differ slightly from volleyball. However, the underlying theme of a successful, unreturnable service remains constant. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of service ace in the context of sports like tennis and volleyball. Remember, language learning is like playing sports. The more you practice, the better you get. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep learning and stay curious.